Hi, Howie Rosenberg here. It's Friday, December 12th, and I'm going to pause in my series about Aweber because I'm going to be on the road all of next week, so I won't be able to finish it up. But what I'll do is I'll pick that back up when I return. But in the meantime, I wanted to present you with some value today. Today, I'm going to talk about something called a link shortener. Well, what is a link shortener? Well, let me give you an example. You can see down here I have this link and it's got an affiliate code in it and it's got another part of the URL and then it's got this and a slash and blah, blah, blah. Well, what I can do is I can copy that link and I can go over and there's many different link shorteners. There's one from Google, which is goo.gl. If you just type in link shortener in Google, it will take you right there. Okay, and what you can do is you can paste that link into the box, click on shorten URL, and it will give you a new URL. See, it's much smaller, goo.gl.fs17c4c. Now, you're not going to want to remember this. You're going to want to copy this and use it right away, okay, or save it somewhere like in a note file or something like that. Now, if you go back to Google, you'll see there are several other link shorteners as well. There's Bitly, which is one that many people use, and you can create a short link with that one. And basically, it's the same thing. It's whatever you want to use it for. Okay, you post a link up here, and it gives me back a link. Tells me that it'll go to wherever it is I wanted it to go. In addition to Bitly, there's another one that's called tinyurl. You'll see that one here. And basically, they all work the same way. Now, the one that's different, though, than these all, which create these tiny URLs that look like, kind of just numbers and stuff like that. If you happen to have a blog, well, there's a plugin for your blog called PrettyLink. And what you can do with PrettyLink is you can create not so much a tiny URL, but a URL that has the name of your blog with a slash and whatever link you want to put in there after that. Okay, and then you put your target URL in there, and you can now create a URL that has your name of your blog slash CRM. Okay, you can see that points to the exact same place that the other ones were pointing to. So those are just a couple of different ways. Now, why would you want to use a link shortener? Well, number one, because you may not want them to know the exact website that they're going to. So you use a link shortener so that they may know approximately, but they may not know exactly where it is that you're sending them to. Especially with the pretty URL, you've got your name in there or the name of your blog in there. So it makes it look much more official. The thing to keep in mind, though, is that the social networks are aware of these tools and that we use these tools. So be careful using them on the social networks, only because the social networks are kind of picky about not sending people to affiliate links. So you can get in trouble even if you mask it with one of these URL shorteners. So just keep that in mind. That's a topic for another day, but all I'm saying is that just using these URL shorteners is probably not going to save you from getting in trouble for sending people to an affiliate link. What I will do is I will show you in a future video how to use a sandwich page to get around that. So anyway, this is Howie Rosenberg. It's Friday, December 12th. If you want to reach me, you can reach me on Facebook at Howie Rosenberg Coach or Howie Rosenberg Fan Page, on Instagram at Howie Rosenberg, or you can email me at howie@neweconomyrules.com, or you can call me at 813-618-7257. Have a good weekend, and I'll be talking to you Monday from the airport, probably.